I recently got my hands on the Ninja OG951, and I have to say, it's been a game changer for my backyard cookouts. This 7-in-1 grill not only grills and smokes but also air fries, roasts, bakes, broils, and dehydrates. The versatility is just amazing. Setting it up was a breeze since it came fully assembled. I was grilling burgers and smoking ribs in no time. The 180 square inches of cooking space is ample. I managed to fit 2 full racks of ribs without any issues. The Woodfire flavor it imparts is out of this world. My friends couldn't stop raving about the smoky taste of the meats. One feature I particularly appreciate is the ProConnect technology. Being able to monitor and control the cooking process from my phone is super convenient. I get real-time notifications, so I know exactly when to flip the food or when it's done. The 2 built-in thermometers are also a nice touch, allowing me to cook different proteins to their respective perfect temperatures simultaneously. Cleaning up is straightforward. The non-stick grill grate makes it easy to wipe down after use. Plus, it's built to withstand the elements, so I can leave it outside without worrying about it getting damaged. If I had a nitpick, I'd say the price is a bit on the higher side. But considering all the functionalities and the quality of the food it produces, I believe it's worth every penny. It's made outdoor cooking not only easier but also more enjoyable. In summary, if you're looking to elevate your grilling game and want a versatile, user-friendly grill, the Ninja OG951 is definitely worth considering. It's made my cookouts a hit, and I couldn't be happier with the purchase.